How to recover blockchain account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your blockchain account password. So without further ado, let's get started. So open your preferred web browser and go to the official website of blockchain by entering blockchain.com on the search bar and simply searching for it. And once you are in the main dashboard of blockchain, you can see the option to log in. Simply click on that. Now you will be prompted to the page where you need to enter your email or wallet ID to proceed. But if you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up button. But if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on login with 12 recovery phrase. And you can simply enter the key phrases to restore access to your account. And if you have set up any password hint, this method can help you retrieve your password. And if you don't remember your secret phrase, you can simply go to the blockchain support. And here in the search bar, you can type recovery password to find helpful support articles. And if you still need assistance, you can simply click on submit a request in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, in this new page, you can select blockchain.com account as the category. And under how we can assist you today, you can simply choose account management and security. And after choosing that, you can simply click on I forgot my password. And after that, fill in the necessary details and provide a description explaining that you have forgotten both your password and secret phrase. And after that, submit the form and the blockchain support team will reach out with a solution. And that's it. With this, you should be able to recover blockchain account. And if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.